Welcome to First Look, and this is the Haas Pocket Mill. Check out the size of this machine. Super compact. Matter of fact, I can reach from the left to the right side. Now, what does that mean? That means if you've got not much room in your shop, and who has a lot of room, this is a machine you should be looking at. Also, the price is attractive for a first timer, so is the size. If you want to put this thing in your garage or maybe a shed, not only does this run on 3-phase power, you can also run it on single-phase power. Okay, so knowing all of that, you probably think that this is a hobby machine, right? Not the case. Check it out. Come right in here, Frank. This is a full-fledged 40 taper VMC. Base RPM is 4,000, but if that's not enough, not a problem. You can go 6,000, even 8,000 RPM. You might also notice there's no tool changer in there. That's not a problem either. Upgrade to a 10-pocket tool changer, and if you want, you can even add a coolant system so you can run production on this machine. What else do you need to know? The Haas control. Again, even though it's a budget price, you're getting a full Haas control. This is just like the control you'd find on your VF2, your EC400, you name it. Nothing's been cut out of the control. Speaking of, let's go around to the back and look at the control cabinet. Let me open the door for you here. Jump in there, Frank. You'll see the inside of the cabinet looks like any other Haas machine. Same components, same amplifiers, same boards, everything. You'll notice the spaces in there. You can put any kind of rotary on this and make this a full-blown 5-axis machine.